Eric, I don't feel good. Shoot! I forgot my Crocs! I should run back.
Why would you? No, you shouldn't.
I peed all over that.
Should we wait for Ethan?
Nah. Because we said we would, but we're kind of savage.
There he is.
I touched that railing for me, boy. Time to go.
Oh, the Indians out here are dangerous.
That was really freaking dangerous.
Roll
Yeah,
out.
what are you thinking?
1 second, I gotta get under this thing.
Come on,
Holy crap.
no, it's not. You can actually, you can just probably run down here. That's what I
Oh, this rock is falling.
Just walk down here like this.
Oh,
Ethan, just run as fast as you can.
I forgot what this
Up.
Eric,
Exploring.
slow down, my man.
Exploring the woods.
Why can't you say like nostril or something?
Okay, that's sort of sketch.
There's definitely been some
Yeah, many different holes.
Miles, grab.
What? Are you gonna go inside?
Holy frick.
Hey, gymnastics skills.
Hold on, my eyes are adjusting.
Feels very zen.
Dude, I found my zen this morning in
yoga?
in yoga. I found my zen. I also found the power of the dragon.
Yeah.
I can spit fire now.
Really? An electric boat and then put the GoPro on it? That's the type of...
Yes.
Probably lose the GoPro. What is the square root of 4? The impossible question.
Where is he?
No one knows the answer.
I'm Eric Kramer. No. Leader of the Wampoke Indians. And this, there is a bed right there.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I wanted to go down.
This is parkour time.
Hey! Oh!
Oh, he's got more, he's got more.
Hey!
Okay, wait. Follow him.
He got tricks, huh?
Follow shot. Crap, I'm not as fast as him.
This is where this bad boy comes into play.
What does it do?
This is a
This is
small sun.
Oh, mini sun.
Yep.
we have harvested the power of 1,000 suns and placed it into one light bulb.
I mean, we have, but...
Hey guys, when you think about it,
Miles, do a shot, follow shot. Ethan, stay up.
Oh my.
I know.
scariest moment of my entire life. I was gonna go up on that side, Miles.
Yeah.
But then, come on this corner. There's a guy on that rock down there.
Oh my gosh. Okay, grab your bag and let's go.
Didn't have the chest up. No, he just walked up.
Oh. Are you gonna climb up? Dude, those are pretty.
Yeah, man, you're not to
Don't say those things.
down at the game, huh?
Down at the game.
This is running around. When you think about it, Nazis are like a bunch of little Hitlers around.
Yeah, up there it was so windy too on the
Yeah, I know.
sitting right there.
That's what I was saying, like the wind's picking me up and...
Yeah, I know, but I ain't no scared cat. Someone freaking do it. Okay, let's go. I'm scared that guy won't talk about this.
That guy?
No,
He was climbing too.
is that the guy that we saw in the very first sesh that my mom knew?
No.
Didn't think so.
I'm too scared to climb. I'm like,
Hey man, I got up there, but I couldn't get to where you were because it's only one man spot.
no, it's not. You could have gotten it.
Yeah, you're fine.
Stop.
Let's go, Ethan.
I didn't do exactly what I wanted to do. I wanted to check the time. I did not check the time.
Yeah, dummies.
It's also 5:15.
How are we gonna get back across?
That was probably better than if we tunneled.
There's nowhere. We can't get back across to the car anywhere else.
Yeah, we can.
Where?
From here. Oh wait, no, we can't. Let's go.
The sawmill. I was thinking that.
Oh yeah. I see what you mean.
No, not when we're down by the waterfall.
Hey man, that's my knife, man. Wait, can I say that real quick?
Don't throw it at the gun.
Close.
You're an idiot. No.
Close.
When will you people know? The easiest way to go is down curve.
That put locks there of the other, or do you think they just put it there? Or do you
No, they
think
definitely had consent.
Yeah, they probably went there together.
So you're saying you think you need the consent to put one there for it to count?
No, I was saying like,
You're saying you don't think you need
no, yeah, why would you want to do it without another person there?
Oh, that's crazy.
Smells like weed. Ah!
Yep, you're staying in there. Ethan, pull out his pants.
Imagine we could have fallen down.
You
could have killed me. You could.
Hey man,
Parkour against really angry person.
Wait, hey, watch this.
Parkour. Oh.
You.
That was bound to happen.
The thing that is not the epoxy's fault. See, it just bounced out. Maybe don't jump off a tree next time, you idiot.
It was for the meme.
Just leave that GoPro in the birdhouse turned on and see what happens overnight at this
You'd probably
place.
die.
Yeah. We should opt that. Get to the top.
Yeah.
That would actually be so hype.
That'd be hype,
but that's so
but
illegal. Illegal.
No, it'd be super hype.
No, it'd be so illegal. No, it'd be fun though. But it'd be so bad. What if we got caught for the cops? Oh, I don't know. It's something.
Guys, I cannot get caught by the cops. Also, Bunny.
My mom would
But-
kill me.
Also, Bunny.
Where's the
I
bunny?
can no. They put my name on permanent record. I've never been caught before, but my name's definitely on record. I think
What?
they definitely never been caught, but my name is definitely on record, so I
They
cannot
definitely have
get
your
caught.
prints already.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Miles broke the GoPro
It dropped out of my...
that I fixed
Guess
for
what?
him.
Eric broke the GoPro first.
Yeah, but this time my glue held up. This is gonna be a nightmare getting off. I'm gonna have to like pound it with screw, like a little chip thing.
Or we could just epoxy
Ow.
that onto that.
That is such a bad idea. Look, because these things are separate.
Oh, yeah, that's true, actually.
Yeah, that is such a big.
that's where I'm gonna rule from. That's where I'm gonna dictate from.
Guys, we should take over America.
I'm gonna make the rules that nobody. It's illegal to wear clothes.
We should make.
To the ground. No. So use the trash can.
That is a bunch of poop.
That's just disgusting. Wait, watch this.
Disgusting. Hey, you like poop? You like poop, huh?
Ooh! Right through my legs.
Oh, jeez.
That's what happened with people. He didn't do it again. Gosh dang it. It didn't even hit you, dog.
Yeah, it did. Eric, what are you doing? Throw it back in the trash can. You're literate. Oh,
Goes back to the
oh man.
From the butt.
The poop emerges, and to the butt, the poop returns. Huh?
Yeah, I mean,
Out of the question. Push the butt up.
You scared the living daylights out of me.
probably get your head wrapped around that because he won the presidency like months ago.
No, he is not my president.
Buddy.
Shotgun. Did a nice little bridge climb. A nice big bridge climb. We should just go back to Chipotle. Oh no, it is the bombers again.
It's the mobbers.
No bombers.
Oh, this is the bombers.
Oh no.
What's worse, moms or bombs, huh? Probably bombs. Well,
You know what?
how about
Moms
how about bombshell moms, huh?
Oh dude, there's
She's being annoying.
Alright.
Sucks. I'm probably just gonna go to church in the morning. I'm gonna go home and mow my lawns now. See you later.
Wait,
should
are you gonna come
should
to
I
church?
come over later?
yeah, just come to church with us in the morning.
Okay.
Alright.
Sleep over and we might not have to go there. I loved him.
For next.